What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. So I am here with another video. Y'all, I worked so hard on my hair and it's annoying me so bad because of these like hairs that just keep on ding, they keep on coming up and it's annoying me so bad. But anyways, I'm gonna do a get ready with me kind of thing of just doing an eyeshadow look real quick and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with my eyeshadow and stuff, then keep on watching. All right, so today's eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and this palette is super cute. Love the shades in here. I think I'm gonna focus more on this side of the palette and everything like that. So I'm gonna go take my Morphe M514 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shadow called Booked, and we're gonna just go ahead and put that in our crease and everything. And I love this brush for either like detailing or just blending or just putting a shadow right in there. So pretty much sticking with neutral shades, my type of shade colors that I love to use. As you can tell, the tones that I'm wearing, I found this at the store called Q at the mall. I'll see if they have like a link or something like that, like a website, but literally all their stuff is like super inexpensive and like really cute and stuff. So these are my tones. I'm loving these tones. Yeah, so if you guys are interested or if you've shopped at Q, let me know. Maybe I'll do like a haul or something like that with all the stuff that I got, because that store is bomb. So I'm just pretty much applying this shade generously. I'm gonna go in with the next shade called Boundaries. This one looks more of like an orangey kind of tone, so I'm gonna also apply that in my crease as well. So have y'all listened to the new Justin Bieber album? I feel like so far it's like just dedicated to his wife and stuff. I haven't really like watched any of his series or anything like that on YouTube. If you guys have, let me know if I should watch it or whatnot, and stuff. But so far I like the album and everything like that. It seems like a pretty like just chill, lovey kind of album and everything. But yeah, so far I like it. And so far I like the shadow. It's super cute. Okay. Just keep on applying this bad boy. Getting that pigmentation that we want. I am going grocery shopping after this, so I don't know. I pretty much got like, I guess, inspo from Mac Daddy. He is a YouTuber and he has his Instagram where he posts all his like pictures and stuff. But he like was using like these neutral shades and everything like that. And I wanted to do like a similar look. I feel like his is more bold. Maybe if I add a darker color and stuff, I can kind of achieve it and stuff. Because it looked like he had a cut crease, but I'm not going to really cut the crease with like concealer. I'm just going to go in with the shade Blur on the lid and stuff. And I think that's going to look super cute. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush. This doesn't have a name or anything like that, but it's pretty much a fluffy tailored brush. And I'm just going to go in and just further blend the edges. So blend. This palette is super easy to work with. And I just love the shades that are in here. Okay, so I'm taking another Morphe brush. This is more of a flat brush. And I'm gonna apply Blur to my lid. And kind of define my lid pretty much with this shade. I'm gonna go back in with my M514 brush and just blend where I need to. And then I want to make that a little more pigmented, and I'm gonna use my finger and use blur and kind of tap that onto my lid. Okay, so I used a little bit of Bribe. It's a lighter shade. And next we're gonna go in with Boundaries. And I'm still using my M514 brush, and I'm just gonna run this in my lower lash line. And pretty much just kind of smoke that shade on out. And connect it right here. Y'all see those bags? Ooh, I need to cover those up. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade called Endgame. It's just a brown shade with a kind of like this is a small angled brush. And I'm gonna line the top. And just pretty much smoke that on out. Just like that. Sorry, my lashes, they look so sad right now. Ugh. My sad lashes, especially this eye. This eye is looking horrible with the lashes. They're so sparse and stuff right now. Okay, so this is what my eyeshadow is looking like. Super simple, cute, have that liner kind of like smoked out and stuff. So next what I'm gonna do is go off the camera and finish up the rest of my makeup and stuff, because pretty much everything is the same. But I'll be back with show you guys the lip combo that I am going to be doing. And yes, it's a nude. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I have the face done. Next I'm gonna do is my lips, and I'm going in with my favorite lip liner, Makeup Forever and Anywhere Caffeine. So the number 600. Such a good lip liner. It's such a nice brownie nude. It's so pretty. And I like that it's a wooden pencil, so all you have to do is sharpen it, and then it's just so easy. And it's nice and creamy. Not too creamy where it breaks or anything like that. So I really like that product. And then for lip gloss, I'm using the Artist Couture Uncensored. This is the 2.0. I love this. It's such a pretty nude, and it's a gloss. And just makes your lips look super, super juicy, and it smells really, really good. Really love that product right there. I would put on some lashes, but I still have my falsies and stuff, and so right now I don't think I really want to put some lashes on and stuff, but you absolutely can use lashes and everything like that. Sorry, there's a brush in the way. So yeah, you can use lashes, you can put on mascara. I'm just gonna leave my lashes like this. I think it still looks really pretty. I really love how this look came out. I feel like you can make it super smoky if you want to for a daytime or a nighttime look and stuff. So yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys really enjoyed this eye look as much as I love it and stuff. I really like the way it turned out. And everything. So yeah, if you guys give me a big like on this video and everything, and comment something down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get those numbers up, help your girl out and everything like that. So yeah, I need to finish getting ready and stuff because I gotta go grocery shopping. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.